Discussion forums. Instructor non-editing. Discussion forums can be a very effective way for course participants to interact outside of the classroom. They can be helpful for both students and instructors. Course instructors should moderate forums to keep the discussions focused, answer any questions that arise, and ensure postings are appropriate and accurate. This video tutorial explains how to participate in a forum discussion and how to edit or delete student postings. Students adding a new posting to a forum. Click on a discussion forum activity on your course page. The forum discussion prompt is displayed. Click the Add a New Discussion Topic button. The Add a New Discussion Topic window appears. Type a subject for the posting in the subject text box. Type the message of the posting in the message text box. Click the Post to Forum button. A message appears indicating how much time is available to edit the posting. The post is automatically added to the forum page. Please note, there is no time limit for a teacher to edit a posting. However, the posting will be emailed after the time limit expires. Replying to a forum posting. Click on a discussion forum activity. Open a forum posting by clicking on the subject in the discussion column. Note the Display Options drop-down at the top of the forum post. Click Reply in the lower right corner of the posting. The student types their response to the forum post. Click on the Post to Forum button. The reply post appears indented below the original posting. Editing and deleting postings. Click on a forum with student postings. Click on the post you'd like to edit. Note that teachers can see the links in the lower right corner of any forum post. Selecting Edit allows a teacher to change a student's forum posting, for example, to correct any typo or misinformation. Selecting Delete will permanently delete a posting. There is a prompt to confirm the posting will be deleted. Viewing all forum postings for a specific student. It is possible for teachers to view all of a particular student's forum postings in the course on one page. Click Participants in the course navigation menu. Locate and click on the target student's name. The student's profile page appears. In the Miscellaneous section, you will find two forum-related links. Selecting Forum Posts will link to a page displaying all forum postings by the student that were replies to other student postings. Selecting Forum Discussions will link to a page displaying all discussions started by the student.